Hello and welcome back to Boutique Things. I have some new items to show you today, and the first is going to be lip glosses, and these are by BR Magic. Here's mine. I kept the blue one, which is the blueberry. All right, and they're your typical lip glosses that have the roller applicator, and these are mood changing lip glosses. All right, so let me show you the colors that I have. Okay, here they are. I have 5 available on each color, and they're similar to all the other ones that I've had in the past. I have 5 available of strawberry. Here's the strawberry. And I don't know if I said, but the blueberry on me changed to pink. And it was a really pretty color pink. I should have put it on for you. The next one I have available is in grape. Next is cherry. Cherry. Blueberry. Green apple. And watermelon. Okay, so all these glosses are mood changing colors, and it doesn't say what color changes to what color or anything like that. All I know is that the blue one changed to pink on me. All right, so those are the ones I have available, 5 of each flavor or scent. Okay, next I have, which I really love, I have the LA Girl Set It Clear Brow Gel. This is a really good product. Now, it's so funny, the things that you learn as time goes on. I never ever thought about trimming my eyebrows. Never. Anyway, so now I know about actually using a brow gel to tame them. Okay, and here's what it looks like. Again, like I said, it's by LA Girl. It's a clear brow gel. And here's the little applicator tip. Very small little applicator. And it has a clear gel. And all you do is just put it on, put it, comb it down, and then you just position your eyebrows the way that you want them positioned. Okay? So these are available for $7. Okay, and I have had these in the past. This is my second purchase because we blew out of these before. So I do have multiples available of the clear gel. The next available item is the waterproof liquid eyeliner, and it is by Cara Beauty. Okay, by Cara Beauty. Let's see, do I have a front part here? I don't know. And this is what it looks like. It comes in a silver, slender tube. Okay, and I used it today. This is mine. This is what the tip looks like. It's in between a felt tip and an actual brush. I really like the applicator because I am particular when it comes to the tips, and I used it today, and it has a very smooth application. I have a tiny little wing there, and it's controllable. I really like it. Now again, it is waterproof, and this is a black matte. Okay, and I really like how it worked. Very nice. I have these available for $6, and it is waterproof liquid eyeliner by Cara Beauty. All right, the next 2 items I have here are the waterproof pomade brow kits. Now these I've had in the past also. I had it in a medium brown. Today I have it in taupe and light brown. Okay, unfortunately I cannot screw off the tops of the pomade, but I can show you the bottoms, and hopefully the color is going to come across the actual color, but I am going to show you the packaging. Okay, And this one here is taupe. And it comes with 3 items. It comes with your brush and the, what's it called? The spoolie on the bottom here. So the brush is at the top, spoolie's on the bottom, and it comes with a clear gel. And then here's the pomade. Now again, this is a waterproof product. All right, and I can't take off the little top because it has the seal on it. But this is what the taupe looks like. Bring it back a little bit towards the light a little bit better. Okay, it's a nice light color. This is the taupe. And then I have it in the light brown. And I'll show you the light brown. Here's the light brown. Hopefully you get a good shot of it. Now I know there was some questions in the past, or purchases in the past, that the color was a little too dark for them. So I do want to show you these, and if you're close by, you can always come by and look at the color itself and then make a decision. Okay, so here's the taupe, and here's the light brown. All right, and these are available for $8. Okay, so those are our new items to Boutique Things, and I think I've covered everything. All right, so if you're interested in any of these products that I have here today, just comment below with the item description and I'll pull it for you and you know what we do next, okay? Well, thank you for watching, everyone, and I will see you all next week. Hopefully, I'll be able to do live showings next week in both groups and a mixture of pre-recorded videos also because it works well, you know, on the timing that I can create a video for you. All right? Well, have a wonderful weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.